Do you know how to read this word? 발, 이, 작, 아? Let's talk about it. 안녕하세요. What's up guys? Kim Sam here and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you the best quality Korean lessons including grammar, pronunciation, listening and conversation skill as well. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. You are gonna get massive value from my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about basic Korean pronunciation rule that is called linking. I think I have to tell you about it because I just finished my Korean alphabet curriculum. So if you're my subscriber, you can read one Korean character, but I didn't cover the rule how to read more than 2 characters. So it'll be helpful for you guys. And I'm so excited we are in a 3-part. This is part 1 of how to read the basic linking words. And I'm gonna do 2 prop consonant in part 2, and then how to read the special prop consonant here in part 3. Let me explain what the linking means first. Here is the English word fill out. The first word is fill, and the next word is out. When you read them together, we don't read it fill out. Instead, we read straight away fill out. That is linking. The linking means when a syllable will finish the consonant and the next syllable begins with a vowel, the preceding consonant move to the next syllable. You get the idea. That is linking. In the Korean language, there are lots of linking words. Look at the example. This word has 2 syllables, 발, 이, but we don't read it 발, 이, because this little circle that is called 이응 doesn't have any sound when it's the initial consonant. So second syllable is just vowel 이, right? And the preceding syllable ends with a prop consonant L, so it moved to the position of initial consonant in the next syllable, right? That's why we don't read this word 발이. We just read it 발이, 발이, 발이. In the same way, we don't read this word 작아 because the initial consonant of the second syllable is 이응, which is silent, and the syllable 작 ends with a prop consonant, 그 sound. So 그 sound moved to the position of 이응. So we can read it 작아, 작아, 작아. So finally we can read this sentence 발이 작아, 발이 작아, 발이 작아, 발이 작아, right? That is linking. And here's one thing you have to remember, that linking rule doesn't work with prop consonant 이응. If 이응 is initial consonant, it doesn't have any sound, but if it is final as a prop consonant, it sounds like 응, ng sound in English. We have to always pronounce 응 sound exactly. Think about it, if you move 응 sound to the next syllable, 응 sound will be gone. It is silent. So 응 sound can't be moved and can't be omitted. Look at this example. In this case, we don't move a prop consonant 응 sound to the next syllable, because if I move it, 응 sound will be gone and the meaning will be changed as well. So we always have to read the prop consonant 응 sound exactly. So you can read it 강의, 강의, 강의. Okay, let's try to read some more linking words. Try to read it yourself. I will give you 3 seconds. Okay? First one. That is 책이, 책이. Second word. That is 걸어, 걸어. And third one, we read it 있어, 있어, right? And the last one, that is 공이, 공이, because prop consonant is 이응. Okay guys, you guys are doing very well. If you want to try more, I'll leave some more linking words in the description below. You can try them. Okay, question of the day. What is the most difficult Korean word for you to pronounce it? Let me know your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. 안녕!